Renting a car can be super frustrating, but don't worry guys, I'm gonna show you the ins and outs. A good car rental experience always starts with doing research. Once you've decided where you're going and what type of car you want, it's time to hit the internet. And when it comes to rental car research, I like to use today's sponsor's website, autoslash.com. Now Autoslash searches hundreds of coupons and discount codes for all the major rental companies to find you the lowest rate possible, taking into account discounts you already are eligible for based on your membership affiliations. This includes discounts for members of AAA, Costco's, AARP, credit cards and various frequent flyer programs that are free to sign up for. Instead of searching all over the place and comparing rates, Autoslash does the work for you to find the lowest rate possible. Best of all, it's a free service. Once you've entered all your details, just hit send. While you're on this website, you can read a few of their blog posts and how-to guides. The website has some awesome resources if you're trying to do some research. Once Autoslash is done with its search, you'll get an email straight into your mailbox. Click the link and Autoslash will show you the cheapest rates it's found so far. Once you select your preferred rate, Autoslash will take you straight to a booking site with all the discount codes already applied. Once booked, you can track pricing on your reservation and Autoslash will keep on looking for better deals right up until your pickup date. Rates often drop as the pickup date approaches, so you often can save a significant amount of money this way. Not only will they check the company you're currently booked with, but all other companies as well. If they find a lower rate, they'll email you so you can rebook and save. Many customers rebook multiple times as rates drop and Autoslash finds better deals. Before you take possession of your rental car, be sure to check its condition rigorously. Carefully check all tires, rims, bumpers, other body parts, door panels and interiors of doors, and of course also check the instruments when starting the engine. Make sure the fuel tank is full and there are no engine alerts. If you should find any issues or damages on the car, be sure to inform the rental car company in writing before leaving the compound. Also document the damages by taking pictures of the damaged areas. And now it's time for you to go out and enjoy your rental car. Be sure that all drivers were registered with the rental company before taking the wheel. Stick to the speed limits as tickets via the rental company can become very expensive, and always drive responsibly. Make sure that out-of-state driving is allowed as per your rental contract, and if required, any tolls are prepaid. In the description box I have added comprehensive information on car rental insurances and add-on packages that you might or might not need. But always be sure to check with your credit card company or with your car insurance if rental cars are covered before spending the money with the rental company. Most customers actually overpay when booking insurances and add-on packages. Once it's time to return the rental car, be sure to remove all your personal items from the vehicle, refuel it according to your rental agreement and go back to the rental station. Once more, be sure to take pictures of your car to prove that there aren't any damages to the car made by you. Alright guys, I hope this video contained a lot of valuable information for you that you can use the next time you book a rental car. If that is so, please leave me a big thumbs up and say hi in the comment section down below. If you have any other hacks for rental cars, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. In the description box, I added a ton of awesome resources, including the description of all car rental insurances and add-ons. Also a few little hacks how you can save money and make your rental car experience a little bit more efficient. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. A huge thank you to autoslash.com for sponsoring this video. Check out all the links down below and start saving money on your next car rental.